My name is Ambassador Chief Judo Bekina JP. I am standing here to support the creation of Anioma State and the inclusion of the good people of the 6th Autonomous Kingdom of Igbanke. We were erroneously founded in Edo State. We are not from Edo, we don't speak Bini, we don't speak Isan, we don't speak Esako. We answer Igbo names. When we go to Bini, they refer to us as Owigbo and Owika. We cannot continue to be in a state where we are being marginalized. We cannot continue to be in a state where we are being oppressed. If our people go to look for ordinary local government authority, you have to go to different steps before they can give it to you. Why? Because you have Igbo name in your names. Please, we are begging that Igbanke should be included in the proposed Anioma State. Thank you.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what our brothers from Igbanke said. They said that during the public hearing that was organized by the House of Representatives in Enugu State, that public hearing was done on the 19th of July 2025. Our Igbanke brothers went there to tell them that they want to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. They said that they were added to Edo States without their consent. They never wanted to be part of Edo State, but that time they not get say person go just come create states, pack people, jam pack together. And today they say no, that they don't want to be part of that union called Edo State anymore. They want to coexist with their brothers in Anioma State. In that Edo State, Igbanke people are a minority. They don't have a voice. They are being marginalized. They are being oppressed. Their kings were suspended by the Oba of Bini. This is an insult. The Oba of Bini has no rights. No rights at all to suspend a king like him. He has no right to suspend Igbanke kings that are older than him when it comes to dynasty. Igbanke community is older than Bini Kingdom. The Oba of Bini is the chairman of traditional rulers in either that Edo South or Edo State. That does not give him the right to suspend a king like him. If to say Nigeria now where government they work, who be about Bini to suspend another king? The only of himself not fit suspend another Oba come up for throne. Even if that Oba trace him ancestry to Ududua, only of not even get right to suspend them. Nine Oba of Bini they suspend kings of community where they say they're not they speak the same language, no same culture, no same tradition. Who be about Bini to suspend them? And so many animals in human form that are suffering from rabies from Bini that are online backing. Go. The Oba Bini get right. You do this, you do that. If the federal government suspend on our Oba, it goes sweet on Una go still come out online, they back. Say why federal government go suspend our Oba. But your Oba suspend another person king, and you are not against it. This is the mindset of these Ilebinu people. They are so evil. Oba Bini has no right to suspend the Igbanke kings. This is the marginalization that we are talking about. Igbanke people have been insulted so much. They are a minority, and that was why they are being marginalized in that Edo State. I'm so happy that Igbanke people are working so hard to make sure that they leave that Edo State. Our brothers from Igbanke said that they are not Bini people. They don't speak Esan. They don't speak Bini. They don't speak Esako. The only language that Igbanke people speak is Igbo language. The way they speak is called Ika. They speak the Ika dialect of Igbo language. They only bear Igbo names. Everything about Igbanke people, their food, their culture, their dancing, their tradition, their dressing, their kingship, their justice, everything is Igbo culture. Igbanke people are of Igbo origin. They are not Bini people. They are not Yariba people. They are not Igala people. They are not Esan people. They are not Esako people. They are Igbo people. Our Igbanke brother said that if they go to Bini, that Bini people refer to them as Owika, Owibo. They refer to them as Owika because Igbanke people, all those Igbo people that speak the Ika dialect of Igbo language, they are all referred to as Ika. Just as we Okwane people are referred to as Okwane. We are Igbo people, but we are referred to as Okwane people because of our dialect and because of our region. The name of your region is what your dialect will be called. Just like Aniocha people, the name of their region is called Aniocha. So when they come to our region, we refer to them as Ndi Aniocha. The name of your region is how people will address you. That was why Bini people refer to them as Owika. Ika people are Igbo people. Bini people also refer to them as Owibo. Because Bini people knows that Ika people are Igbo people. The dialect of Ika people is Igbo language. So all these reasons are why these people have been suffering from marginalization in that Edo state. Do you think that Bini people will allow an Igbanke man to be the governor of Edo State? They will never allow such a thing to happen. Because they know that Igbanke people bear Igbo names. If a man from Igbanke called Chukwode Onyeka Chukwu comes out in that Edo State and say that he wants to be the governor, Bini people will never vote for him. They will go to a protest telling the world that Igbo man wants to take over Edo State, telling the world that Igbo man will never be the governor of Edo State. This is why Igbanke people are not represented in governments, both in the Edo State governments and in their local governments, because they are seen as Igbo people. There is no way Bini people will allow an Igbo man from Igbanke to be the governor of Edo State. Bini people will never allow an Igbanke man to be the chairman of that Orion or local government that Igbanke people are found today. Because why? Igbanke people are Igbo people. Our Igbanke brother said that Igbanke people are being marginalized and oppressed and that they cannot continue to be in Edo State. That if they go to do local government of origin, that they have to go to different steps before they will get it. And that's because they are Igbo people. Igbanke people don't have social amenities in Igbanke community. They have no infrastructure. They don't have light. They don't have good schools. They don't have hospital in that community. When we say that people are being marginalized, Igbanke people are 100% marginalized. In that Orion or local government where Igbanke people are found today, if they go to do local government of origin, Bini people hardly give it to them, making Igbanke people to go through stress before they will get it. And that's because Igbanke people bear Igbo names. If Igbanke person wants to get that local government of origin now, they ask him, what is your name? He say, my name is Chinedu Onyeka. They will start doing that person like this, doing that person, they telling him, you cannot get this local government of origin unless you have Bini names. That was why Igbanke people go back house, do affidavit, change their name from Emeka to Osakpolo. That was how Igbanke people started bearing all these Bini names. So when people come and tell you, hey, Igbanke people, they have started to bear Bini names a long time ago, it's a lie. Now this state of origin, marginalization, now make Igbanke people start to change their name from Igbo names to Bini names in order to get jobs for that Edo state, in order to get local government state of origin. For Igbanke person to get a job in Bini, he have to change his name to a Bini name. This is marginalization. Igbanke people have always said this, that the Oba of Bini built a school in Igbanke community. The reason why he built that school is for Igbanke children to start learning Bini language in school. But Igbanke people refused by not going to that school. They stopped to go to that school because no way where they go leave their Igbo language to start to speak Bini language that is a dialect of Yoruba language. Bini na Yoruba dialect because Bini names are Yoruba names. Bini culture and tradition are Yoruba. Everything about Bini is Yoruba. So there's no way Igbanke people will sit down and watch these Yoruba people from Ile-Ife now called Bini to take over their land. And in order for Igbanke people to escape these people, they have to join Anioma state through boundary adjustment to coexist with their brothers and to coexist with the entire Igbo race. Igbanke people are passing through a lot in that Edo state. They must be free. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anybody to divide us. Anioma state is a goal. Igbanke people, you are welcome home. Ishiegwale.